friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and you are?
Sadie.
And
Renee.
And what? Tell our friends what we're gonna do.
We're gonna color Easter eggs.
Yeah.
We're gonna color Easter eggs.
We're gonna color Easter eggs with what? We're gonna use rice
Rice and food coloring.
and food coloring, and this is a very budget-friendly
And eggs.
project. Yes. Okay. So hang on. We'll be right back. Right, so this is what we're gonna do. Each one of us is gonna get a little bucket. And you need a bucket, friends, you need a bucket, something with a lid, so that you can shake these.
And
And we got regular food coloring, regular food grade food coloring.
You got a bony butt. It's sitting on my leg and I can feel your bony butt. What happened to bubble butt?
All right,
This is fun.
Okay.
so each one of these, we're going to put,
Rice.
my timer's going off.
Mommy. What now?
Okay. We're gonna put a little bit of rice in each, put that down, sweetie. We're gonna put a little bit of rice in each one. That's good. That's good. That's good.
I'm trying.
Okay,
Crunchy.
we got it all, and then I got mine.
Mine's crunchy.
You're not supposed to eat it.
It's not pretty. You're silly. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside.
Okay, so what color do you want?
I want purple.
Well, all we have is yellow,
We can, you can mix colors.
red,
What? Blue.
So
green.
you like blue.
So
Okay,
Nene wants purple, so we gotta do red and blue.
Okay.
I want
And you
blue.
want blue.
What is
So you tell them you just, if you want it dark, you put a more in there.
I want blue.
If you want it real light and pastel, you put a real little bit in there. But we're gonna start out with a little bit in there. And then you put your lid on, before you put your egg in, and you shake it real good, shake it real good.
I want to shake it.
Yep,
Shake it.
shake it real good. Okay, now. Okay, that's perfect. Now we're gonna take an egg, and you're gonna put an egg in there. Put it right in there.
And I want.
And then we're gonna put the lid on.
Red.
And you're not gonna shake this real hard, because you don't wanna break the shells. You don't wanna crack
I
them.
want my
Okay,
blue.
just go real lightly.
You got an egg in yours?
Yeah.
Nope, not yet.
Shake that.
She's gonna get one. And then, don't shake them real hard with the egg.
No light.
No, shake a little harder than that. You can shake about like this. Shake it up real good.
Well, hi, babies. Ooh, look what you
I
got.
got green.
I do too.
And it comes out,
Egg in there.
and this is a pastel looking one. You can see, it comes out and it's real light. I'll show you here.
You shake it.
It comes out and it's, this one's a real light blue and it's speckled.
It's a cooked egg, it's not gonna break.
So you shake it.
And we can do it again and put a little more in there and make it a little darker if you want.
You shake it,
Yeah.
Mama.
Okay?
You're not gonna break it. Shake it,
Shake it real good. No, you gotta shake it better than that. Shake it really good. Both hands.
Look at your egg, Nene.
Wow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look at Stella's.
Let me see, Stella. It's beautiful.
Oh yeah, shake it up. I think we have to shake that a little bit harder. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do red.
Here, put your egg on your
Who's got
plate.
red? Who's got red? You do?
Oh, I got green.
Nobody's got red. That's right over there, Mom.
What's this called?
Red.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do red.
Oh, look at mine.
Ooh.
Look at
Yeah.
mine.
What do we do with
Just-
the rice?
You just brush it back off in there. Okay, so I'm gonna shake mine up real good.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay, in there.
All right, well, hold
And
on.
then let's shake her some more. This is fun.
This
budget friendly.
Nene. Oh, it's beautiful. And one more, Nene.
Very budget friendly.
Yeah, we'll wipe it off when we're done.
We got eggs, we got food corn, we got rice. You can get that right
I
out of
did
the
it
pantry.
once. Okay, now put the lid on there and shake it down.
Ooh, look at mine as a pastel.
Oh, I love that color. Look at Nene.
Isn't that pretty?
I love that.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine on here.
Look at the colors.
I'm gonna put
A little
yellow.
darker, Nene. Let's
I'm
put
gonna put a
a little
little
bit more.
yellow in mine. Actually, I'm gonna make another red
Not
one.
red.
Here, right here. Good, done.
Look at
We
mine.
got orange.
Orange and red.
Oh, that's pretty.
Shake it up. Oh, Susie, that's beautiful. Nene, just go like that. That's it.
Oh, I need a little more red.
Why is that bird screaming like that?
Because we're making lemonade.
Okay. That bird is noisy. Oh, look at mine. I love it.
Can you do mine?
Yes? Why don't you want to do it?
How's your You're having fun. This is the greatest project for kids.
Okay, what color are you getting, Nene?
Pink.
Oh, look at this one.
All different colors. Look at that.
Isn't that cute?
I got mine.
Now, what color are you going to put in there?
Look at Stella's.
I see Stella.
Ah.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, wipe the rice off in it.
Okay, that's
I'm
enough.
shaking it more.
Look at this one.
I'll trade you.
Susie, yours are turning out beautiful.
What color is that?
Look at Mama.
You put more blue in it?
Ah.
Oh. I'm gonna put red in there. I'm gonna make purple. So I'm gonna put a little more.
What an idea, Mama.
I
Isn't this
make
fun?
black.
Whoa.
I make black.
Yeah, you did.
There's some.
Oh,
Okay,
look at
so-
Anna Nanas. Isn't that beautiful?
They are gorgeous.
Now, what color are you going to put on it, Nene?
Look at our variety, friends. Look what we just did. Oh yeah.
Those are just too cool.
Yep.
They are. Oh my gosh, wait till
And
you
there's
see-
no mess. Don't wipe, yeah, be careful when you wipe it, because they usually come out dry. I think we got a lot of color in them. Ooh, look at that one.
We'll have to, Susie will have to
Just
take.
be real careful when you take the rice off in it. Look at the purple on this
See
one.
your sticky.
We need, Lily, could you get me a warm cloth, please? Okay, let me see yours, Stella.
I'm just shaking it.
I love these colors.
I like that color.
Look, that's purple.
Yeah. I'm gonna do
I
another one
love
like
these.
that.
Those oranges and yellows are beautiful.
Look at mine.
Oh my goodness, look at Nene's.
Look at
Oh
mine.
my gosh, it's beautiful, Stella.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's so sweet.
I just took the last one.
That's okay.
You can.
I don't have a lot. Like more?
We gotta get the rice off now. Oh, actually, it'll come out when we dry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
when you click them off, it'll have like little white specks in it.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
Some people put glitter in with these. You can,
Oh, that's beautiful. That's enough.
those are,
baby.
look at that, it almost looks tie-dyed.
Look at this one.
Me?
Wait,
I
that
love it,
one looks
Susie.
neat.
Do some more of these colors.
Oh,
I
there's no
need
more.
more
it.
rice.
That's it
Oh,
for the
there's no
eggs.
more eggs.
There's no more eggs, we're all done, but hang on, we're going to, I got this one.
Sadie, which ones are
Right
yours?
at the table, dear. Put it back in here. Here, open your lid. Open your
Thank
lid.
All right, so, oh, I gotta get the rest of the rice off there.
I'm not done.
Take it.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at Nene's.
look at Nene. That is a black egg. No, it's gold.
Okay, now we'll
I'm
just
not done.
take care of our little bit of mess. You
Nene,
see that?
I
And
want to
then
have
we'll,
more.
You got one
We'll
more?
take care of our little bit of mess, friends. It's that simple. You've seen the kids had a ball. Tell them thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And we hope you have a wonderful, fantastic Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Friends, this is Renee, and I wanted to let you know that this was a very special Easter project for us. because we have got 4 generations in our video. So we're going to introduce ourselves so you know our family.
There's 3.
Okay, put your fingers down. I'm Susanna. I'm the great-grandmother and Renee's mother.
And I'm Renee. I'm the grandmother, and I'm Susie's mother.
I'm Susanna. I would be the 3rd generation. I am Anna Renee and Stella's mother. And this is the niece.
Then you are
Sadie.
And you're what generation?
4th.
4.
And you are?
Hello, Grace.
And what generation are you? 4? 4th generation. And you are?
And then
Look towards the camera.
Hey, look at the camera and tell our friends. You're Anna Renee, and you're the 4th generation. And you are named after Nani, me, Mina Dot, your great Aunt Isabel, and your great grandmother Irene. And you're named after your great grandmother Stella. And you are named after your Aunt Tracy, your mother, and I believe that's it. That's all that your name is.
You haven't got your daddy's
No,
name.
you have got your daddy's name. So, we hope that you enjoyed this. And this project that we did was very special to us because we'll have this video forever for our grandchildren. And we also wanted to tell you that this video we did with the rice and the coloring of the eggs is very easy, budget friendly. Your rice you can get in your pantry, your food coloring, and what a wonderful project to create family memories and closeness. So happy Easter and thank you so much.
Happy
Thank you.
Easter.
Happy